In this worksheet, you have to color these objects with red color. We have an apple, a rose and cherries. As you can see, the different objects on my right side and yellow crayon on my left side. On the right side, there are 3 objects: banana, grapes, corn. So you have to match yellow objects with yellow crayon. In this worksheet, you have to trace the circles of the grapes. Put the pencil on the dot, go round and stop. And after tracing all the circles, you have to color the picture. In this worksheet, first you have to trace the square like this. Put the pencil on the dot, go straight, go down, go left, go up. Then you have to paste the matchstick as the given sample. In the other worksheet, as you can see, there are 2 frogs. One is big, this one is big, and this one is small. So in this worksheet, you have to circle the small frog and color the big frog green. In this last worksheet, as you can see that there are 4 sets of objects in which one is tall and one is short. So you have to circle the short objects.